Today's quick take begins with a true story. A few days before Christmas, I found myself in a long line at the post office waiting to mail my packages. After several minutes, the man in front of me turned to the woman in front of him and said loudly, "Someone needs to teach these people grammar." The woman followed his gaze to a sign on the counter and read, "Please turn your cell phones off." "Oh, I see. It needs a comma after please." "No," the man shot back. "The sentence ends in a preposition. It should read, please turn off your cell phone." Now, before I tell you the end of the story, which sentence do you think is correct? Please turn your cell phone off, or please turn off your cell phone? The answer is both. What the man in the post office objected to was the word off at the end of the sentence, violating the rule, never end a sentence with a preposition. But, spoiler alert, there is no such rule. Prepositions are words like on, at, of, into, from. Small joining words that show a relation in time or space between one object and another. In Latin grammar, writers could not end a sentence with a preposition, but Latin grammar should never straitjacket English grammar. In English, we can and do end sentences with prepositions. For example, "You're someone I can count on," or "That's something we should look into." What's this made of? What we want to do is avoid awkward, stilted, or unnecessary prepositions at the end of sentences. Not, "It is difficult to know about what you are thinking." Rather, "It's difficult to know what you're thinking about." Not, "Where is she at?" but "Where is she?" And some words that look like prepositions aren't prepositions at all, but instead are adverbs called particles. That's where the hokey pokey's going to come in. But looks like we're out of time. Check back for part 2 to learn more and to hear the end of the story. For more examples, go to CateTouryan.com/QuickTakes. And thanks for watching.